Hello guys, today we are going to learn about how to track GA4 e-commerce view item tracking. Okay, this is the first step for e-commerce tracking. So I will show you today only view item tracking. Then I will show you step by step. Okay, next. So first of all, we have to create a trigger for track the view item. Okay, that means view item means someone. This is your e-commerce website and someone visit your product for like this. Yeah, someone visit and Google Tag Manager actually track them which product a client saw, actually why didn't buy. The we actually measured this through the GA4. So Google Tag Manager actually work for GA4. It's actually breeze. So first of all, we have to create a tag for view item for send the data to GA4. Okay, first go to the trigger section and create a trigger. It's custom event. It's actually view item trigger. Okay, name the trigger. Now go to the tag section, create a tag. It's for GA4 measurement ID. I made it constant variable. View item. Okay, name the tag. Save. Oh sorry, add trigger. Yeah, a few seconds ago we actually create view item trigger. Yeah, save. Okay, now preview. It's connecting, just takes few seconds. Yeah, it's connected. Go to the product section, just this product, blue denim shorts. Okay, yeah, I visited the product. Now yeah, GA4 view item tag is fired on. Okay, but it's tag fire, but this tag actually doesn't send any e-commerce data to the GA4. Okay, so for the sending this data we have to create some event parameter. Okay, data means the currency, the value, the view item. Actually Google recommend for the view item these three parameter, actually these three event parameter we should send to the GA4. Okay, so now go to the tag section, tag manager, and create some variables, these three variables actually. Okay, yeah, user defined variable, it's data layer variable. Okay, how we will create the variables. Okay, see the product section, data layer section. Under the e-commerce we have currency, value, and items. Okay, the e-commerce is the mother event, event actually. That's why I copy the e-commerce and next dot and next e-commerce. Okay, because the e-commerce is the mother variable, that's why we copy the e-commerce, then dot, then under e-commerce is currency. Okay, So name the variable DLV currency variable. Save. Next another one, data layer variable, same procedure, copy eCommerce dot, I have created currency, next value, copy and paste. It's actually case sensitive, so please make sure it's the small character and as same as the variable. Okay, variable section as same as, so name the variables dlv value variable. Next last one, data layer variable eCommerce dot item dot items. Items variable. Okay, save. Now go to the text section and add these three parameters. These three parameters actually send product details to the GA4. So where is my tag? Yeah, 7 parameters, 2 3 currency items, and last one is value. Yeah, just click on plus currency, next items, next value. Yeah, save. Now preview again. Actually I paused all these tags for the better understanding and simplification, otherwise many tags are fires. So yeah, GA4 based tag fire. Now go to the product section, view the product again. Yeah, yeah, view item tag fires. Now check the variables. We have create DLV items and it sends the all item information to the GA4. Another DLV value, its value, its currency. Actually if your website only one currency, you can uh, actually use that currency by character, but I for my cases I use dynamic currency value. Okay, so it shows the USD. That's all for today. Next video I'll show step by step full e-commerce tracking. Okay, just keep in touch. Thank you so much.